How to buy Senna12 token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we go on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 44 minutes ago, as you can see. Now this token, it's increased by a like 3000% in the last 24 hours, and as you can see, this token it's on the Solana section on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see in the search bar. Now click on your token. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. To select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider and select the Jupiter as a provider, and now click on the apply, go back and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to provider to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Senna12 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.